Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Aquarius, for your general energies, career situation and relationship. We are picking few cards. So these are for your general energies, Aquarius. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, you can watch that, and that reading may answer some questions or clear some doubts you may have in your circumstances. And if you are interested in a personal reading, Aquarius, I have a good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fiverr. I'll be sharing her link in the description. You can contact her. So, let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies first. Aquarius, Justice, Page of Pentacles in reverse, and Nine of Swords in reverse. So in your circumstances today, it may be in your work situation or it may be in your relationship, you are someone who is very responsible. Maybe you are moving towards some greater responsibility in your career, or you may be stepping up as a responsible person in this relationship, and you are trying to be really flexible today, trying to make things work in the right way. So whatever changes you need to do, it may be changes in the way you work or changes in the way you handle your circumstances. So whatever efforts are going to bring harmonious, balanced changes in your career, or it may be in your relationship, so you are going for those changes, and you are a person who wants a balanced situation in your life. So you try to be really good, making good efforts today, and you try to have a beautiful relationship with this person, trying to understand them. And maybe you are worried about this person because you would have had a lot of there would have been some arguments or some stressful circumstances. Maybe because you were having a lot of doubts on this person. Things were going fine, going in a beautiful way, but something they did or something they said has created a lot of suspicion in your mind about this person, and maybe you were you spoke certain things and they were quite hurt, and maybe they are away, but today you have realized your mistake. It was nothing they did, it was simply your doubt. Whatever you spoke, it is not the truth, and you have found that out. You have found the truth today, and you know this person is has not done anything wrong, and you're sad and stressed, and that is the reason you want to reconcile with this person with gifts. Maybe you're buying gifts for them, to say sorry to them, and you are really happy to be with this person, and you are trying to mend this relationship. You're trying to make amends today, say sorry, and you want this relationship to work. So you have made a hasty decision today, and that is what is making you worried. And you want to change the way things are between you both. That is the reason you are going ahead and apologizing to them, apologizing to this person. So that is the energy here with these cards. Let us see what is the card for your its strength in reverse. So there may be certain things you're quite worried about in this connection, but still things are resolving today, and everything will begin to change. If you are seeing troubles in your life, Aquarius, I see that there is a positive change coming very soon in your situation. Maybe this person is coming to you to say sorry, or you are going to them to tell them that you are really sorry for what happened. So that is the energy here. Let us see what is the card for your career circumstances. It's Three of Pentacles in reverse. So in your work circumstances, people are not like you. You are someone honest, someone dedicated to your work. But people you work with, they may not have that level of commitment. That may be the reason for certain delays or suspensions in your work circumstances, Aquarius. So that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card reading that is coming up right now, Aquarius. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep the second card aside. So we will see what is the card for those who chose this card. It is a Crystal Spirits card, and the crystal for y'all today is amethyst, and the message with this crystal. So in your circumstances, maybe you are quite comfortable the way things are in this connection, way circumstances are going. But this crystal reminds you to see that you may have some exciting possibilities of something better in this relationship. So when you are with this person, you feel really comfortable and happy about the way things are going. Maybe just because you are used to it, you don't want to change it. But if you change the way you are in this relationship, you are going to feel much more happy if you give up your old ways of interaction or your actions, change in your actions. That is going to bring a major change in this relationship. So even smaller things like saying thank you or I love you is going to make a difference today, make a huge difference, and it is going to be the first step towards healing. So whatever difficulties in your circumstances you may have, you are going to walk that path of healing. And just like you want to listen to this person, you want this person to listen to you when you say something. So it may be something they are quite uncomfortable about, but you are going to say that. Just the same way, when they say something, you will feel defensive. So, this may be the time you need to rethink about your situation, rethink about the way you are in this relationship, and this is the time for rediscovery, calling you to deepen the trust and intimacy you have with this person. So, you need not feel shy, you just have to go forward, march on, take all their what to say, whatever complaints or whatever regrets they have in a positive mindset and change it and build more trust and build more intimacy in this relationship. That is the energy here with this crystal. And if we meditate with this crystal, it is simply going to open our minds, release all the stress we have, and release all that expectation we have in our life, expectations of what we should be doing instead of just enjoying what is there with us already. And this crystal helps us to connect with the spirit and um, increase our intuitive abilities. So, that is the energy with this crystal. So, that is the energy with this card for you all, for those who chose this card. So, let us see what is the second card. So, for those who chose this second card, it is brother and sister. Transformation. Such a beautiful card here. So, in your circumstances today, maybe you are not listening to someone's warnings, or someone is trying to tell you something. And this card is about the energy is about finding the balance. So you may want certain things, but when you obtain it, what will be the result? Are you going to enjoy it? Are you truly happy for what you have achieved? So, trying to find the balance between what you want and what is the reality. And you are being warned about something. Maybe someone close to you is telling you to avoid certain things, but you are not listening to them. That may be the reason for the consequences or for the circumstances you are facing today. So you need to be really balanced, have that balanced mindset that is going to help you today. And you may have people you need to take care of, or there are people taking care of you. So when they are advising you certain things, you must listen to them. And this card also speaks about the close relationship we share with friends and family members, and trying to understand the difference between what you want and the things that will harm you. So you must understand that, and you must wish accordingly. So the things that you wish may hurt you, so you must not wish that. That is the reason people are advising you against it. So if that is the circumstance today, you must listen to this advice. So that is the energy here with this card, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.